These are the kitty's tails. They are like gummy things. You can form them and mold them just the way you like in order to satisfy your stylistic urges. How about a little candy cane towards the front, huh? A little circle. How about the other way? Straight out. Down on the floor. Up in the air. Bent in the middle. Straightened. Bend to the side. The other side. Down to the floor. Over here.
Yay!
Over there. Little kitty. Do you need any more demonstrations of how to move a cat's tail?